Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss about the concept of pointer in C programming. Pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable, that is direct address of the memory location. A pointer is a variable that store address of another variable. For example, we have a variable A of integer type and int star p. P is a pointer variable and p is equal to ampersand a. That means p is a pointer that hold the address of another variable in computer memory. A pointer can be incremented or decremented. Incremented means pointer points to the next memory location. Decremented means pointer points to the previous memory location. And the main purpose of pointer is to save memory space and achieve faster execution time. Next is how to declare a pointer. Like any variable or constant, you must declare a pointer before using it to store any variable address. The syntax for declaring a pointer is data type, star operator, and then name of the pointer variable. Data type is the pointer base type. It must be a valid C data type like int, float, char, double. And pointer variable name is the name of the pointer variable. And star operator used to declare a pointer. Let's see some valid pointer declaration in C. Int star p, pointer to an integer. Double star q, pointer to a double. Float star s, pointer to a float. Char star ch, pointer to a character. The only difference between pointer of different data type is the data type of the variable or constant that the pointer points to. Next is how to initialize a pointer. After declaring a pointer, we initialize it like a standard variable with the variable address. If pointers are not uninitialized and used in the program, then the results are unpredictable. To get the address of the variable, we use the ampersand operator placed before the name of the variable whose address we need. Pointer is the name of the pointer equal to ampersand variable. Ampersand is the address operator and variable is the name of the variable. For example, int star p. P is a pointer of integer type and int a is a normal variable and p is equal to ampersand a. P is a pointer that hold the address of a. This is the initialization of pointer. Let's see the program how to declare and initialize a pointer. First of all, inside the main function, declare one variable of integer type. A is a variable of integer type and value 20 is assigned to it. Then declare a pointer int star p. P is the pointer of integer type. Then after that, initialize a pointer. How to initialize a pointer? Name of the pointer is equal to operator, ampersand is the address operator, then name of the variable. P is a pointer that holds the memory address of A. Then after that, with the help of printf function, display the address of A variable is equal to percentage x. Percentage x is the format specifier to display the address in hexadecimal. Then ampersand a. ampersand operator give us address. Then with printf function, display the address stored in pointer variable. Address stored in pointer variable is equal to %x, then name of the pointer. P is the pointer that hold the address of A. Then finally with printf function, assess the value using pointer. Value of $p variable is equal to %d then $p. Now with the help of this printf function, display the value of $p variable. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, the output is address of variable A is D9A BC A6C and address of the pointer stored in a variable is D9A BC A6C. And the value of $p variable is 20. Address of A is the value of P. First printf function display the address of A and second printf function display the address stored in the pointer variable. P is the pointer variable that hold the address of A. Operator used with pointer. There are two operators used with pointer, star operator and ampersand operator. Star operator is used to declare a pointer in C and also return the value of the reference variable. And ampersand operator return the address of the variable. Next is types of pointer in C. First one is null pointer. It is always a good practice to assign a null value to the pointer variable in case you do not have an exact address to be assigned. This is done at the time of variable declaration. A pointer that is assigned null is called a null pointer. The null pointer is a constant with the value of 0 defined in several standard libraries. Let's see the example. Int $pp is a pointer that holds the null value, and after that with printf function display the value of p. What is the value of p? Value of p is 0. Null pointer always return value 0 onto the screen. Then void pointer. In C programming, a void pointer is also called as generic pointer. It does not have any standard data type. A void pointer is created by using the keyword void. It can be used to store an address of any variable. With void pointer, we can store the address of integer variable, character variable, double variable, float variable. If we have an integer type pointer in a program, integer type pointer can hold only integer value. Double pointer hold only double values. But void pointer is used to store an address of any variable. How to declare void pointer? Void $p is equal to null. Then while pointer. A pointer is said to be while pointer if it is not being initialized to anything. These type of pointer are not efficient because they may point to some unknown memory locations, which may cause problems in our program, and it may lead to crashing of the program. One should always be careful while working with Wild pointer. Any uninitialized pointer is known as wild pointer in C because it points to some arbitrary memory location. A wild pointer in C is declared but not initialized. That's why it points to any random memory location. Only declaration is there. It is also known as uninitialized pointer in C program. Next is pointer to pointer. We already know that a pointer points to a location in memory and used to store the address of the variable. So when we define pointer to pointer, the first pointer is used to store the address of the variable and second pointer is used to store the address of the first pointer. That's why they are known as double pointer. We can declare double pointer with double star. Let's see the example. Int var is equal to 10. Then int star ptr. Ptr is a pointer that holds the address of the variable. Then after that, int double star ptr. Double star ptr is a pointer to pointer that holds the address of the pointer. Int var. Int star ptr1. Ptr1 is a pointer that holds the address of var. Ptr1 is equal to ampersand var. Then int double star ptr2. Ptr2 is a double pointer that holds the address of ptr1. Value of var is 10 and 10 is stored at memory address 2008. 2008 is the address of var. And ptr1 is a pointer that holds the address of var. Value of ptr1 is the address of var, that is 2008. And ptr1 is stored at memory address 4020. 4020 is the address of ptr1. And ptr2 is the pointer that holds the address of ptr1. 4020 is the value of ptr2. And 3096 is the address of ptr2. ptr1 is a pointer to var and the ptr2 is a pointer to pointer of var. Let's see the program for pointer to pointer. First of all, declare pointer to pointer int double star q. Q is a double pointer and q is equal to ampersand p. Q is a double pointer that holds the address of single point. Now first of all, we have a variable a. A is a variable of integer type, value 20 is assigned to it. Then star p. P is a pointer that holds the address of a. Then double star q is a double pointer that holds the address of pointer p. After that, with the help of printf function, display the value of a, display the value of star p, and display the value of double star q. Now after the execution of this code, value of a is 20, value of star p is 20 and value of double star q is also 20. Star operator always give us value. An ampersand operator give us address.